Thank you for your interest in submitting an abstract to DDW, the world's largest gathering of physicians and researchers in the fields of gastroenterology, hepatology, endoscopy, and gastrointestinal surgery. This video will show you how to complete your co-author financial disclosure. All authors are required to submit disclosure by 3 p.m. Eastern on Friday, December 14, 2018. Submitting authors are not permitted to submit disclosure on a co-author's behalf. Upon successful submission of an abstract, all co-authors will be sent an email from program@ddw.org alerting them that they have been listed as a co-author. This message will provide instructions on how to complete disclosure by visiting the abstract submission site. Co-authors have two options to access the site. The first option is to click the link provided in the confirmation email that will take the author directly to the disclosure form. Co-authors can also use their login information included in the email message to log into the submission site to access the form. Upon logging into the site, you may be prompted by a pop-up message to complete your DDW 2019 financial disclosure. Click OK to proceed to the disclosure form. You'll now see the disclosure form. Be sure to answer all questions marked by a red asterisk. Authors must either disclose their financial relationships with commercial entities or state that no relationships exist. Authors with commercial relationships must list the names of the organizations, the benefits received, like salary or stock ownership, and any roles they play within an organization. After you've answered all required questions marked by a red asterisk, click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Your disclosure is now complete, so you may log out or navigate to another page at the abstract submission site. You can edit your disclosure any time before the December 14th deadline. To do so, log in and click the drop-down menu under your name in the top right corner of the page. Select Disclosures to return to the disclosure form. For technical assistance or any questions related to the submission website, please contact ScholarOne Customer Support. For program-related questions, please contact DDW Administration. Thank you for your interest in submitting an abstract to DDW 2019.